Salamat dahil dumating ka sa buhay ko. Hindi man sa tamang pagkakataon, pero inantay mo ako at hindi sinukuan. Salamat at dumating tayo sa araw na to. Salamat kay God at ikaw ang binigay niya sa akin. Ipinapangako ko na magiging tapat, maalalahanin at mapagmahal na asawa. Sa araw-araw ay pipiliin ko ay ikaw. Dahil ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ako nagmamahal. Hanggang sa kabilang buhay, ikaw ang aking pipiliin.
I've known its meaning all along.
Samahan kita sa bawat hamon ng buhay at sabay nating lalakbayin ang hinaharap. Ikaw at ako, love ko, asawa.
Love, simula sa araw nito, tinatanggap kita bilang aking asawa. Bilang aking may bahay, ikaw ang magsisilbing ilaw ng aking tahanan. Pangakong ikaw lang ang iibigin, mamahalin, at wala nang iba. Sa hirap man o ginhawa, sa kasiyahan man o kalungkutan, pangakong lagi akong nasa iyong tabi. Subukin man tayo ng panahon, ay sabay nating harapin ang anumang problemang dumating. Mananatili ako sa iyo at paulit-ulit kitang pipiliin dahil ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ako nagmahal. Sa harap ng Panginoon, nangako akong mamahalin. Alagaan ko kayo ng magiging anak natin hanggat ako'y nabubuhay.
Magtanim ka ng pagmamahal, aani ka ng pagmamahal. Magtanim ka ng oras at atensyon, aani ka ng oras at atensyon. Magtanim ka ng pagkalinga, aani ka ng pagkalinga. Sapagkat hindi na lang para sa atin ang ating buhay, kayo ay para sa isa't isa. Kaya nawa, kayo ay patuloy na gabayan at pagpalain ng Panginoon sa tatahakin yung buhay bilang mag-asawa.
Away from past mistakes, was sleeping, now I'm wide awake. Close my eyes and something saying just keep dreaming. Grace and wisdom fight this feeling, change my way of morning greeting. Open eyes but something saying just keep dreaming. Far away from past mistakes, was sleeping, this is that violence that blinds our eyes and something saying just keep dreaming. Grace and wisdom fight this feeling, change my this is our fire, still burning lights, but something saying just keep dreaming. Something saying just keep dreaming.
God always give us the best that we deserve. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao. Adam sa Melissa, sana lagi niyong tandaan, hindi kayong pumili sa isa't isa. Sino ang pumili? Ang Diyos.
Oh na na na, oh na na na. Wake up, wipe the sleep from your eyes. Feel the sun rays flying through the window and warm you up for this ride. Hey, maybe it's the best day of your life. Blow off your sting, no need to be feeling low. How sweet it is to be alive. What you don't need, don't take it with you today. No, don't you know, don't you know, don't you know? Like a river, you can live your life in free flow. Yeah, you can fly with the stars. Did you forget you're a skyscraper? But slow down, look around right now. It's a brand new day. Yeah, it's a brand new day. Whoa, it's a brand new day. It's a new day. It's a brand new day. Whoa, oh na na na. Don't you worry, it's all gonna work out. Heaven or hell, good or bad, this too shall pass. There's only ever right now. And don't you feel like it's just a matter of time? May I remind you, cream rises to the top. One little step at a time, you'll find. If you let it go, let it go, let it go. What you don't need, don't take it with you today. No, don't you know, don't you know, don't you know? Like a river, you can live your life in free flow. You can fly with the stars. Did you forget you're a skyscraper? But slow down, look around right now. It's a brand new day. Yeah, it's a brand new day. Whoa, it's a brand new day.